Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you more than maximum overlay CapCut PC. So you can see uh, you can add the overlay. The maximum overlay is 6 overlay. For example, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oops. Here you can see just 6 layers you can add to your project. But how you can add more than maximum the overlay? So you can select the clips, just select Ctrl and A on the keyboard, and you can right click and select create open clip, and you can add more the overlay button on top. And to can add 6 overlay again. So that's how you can add more than maximum overlay. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please type in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching.